Before you give up, hear this. The verse Isaiah 41:10, the Lord says, "Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." This verse, clearly, God didn't say you wouldn't feel tired. He didn't say you wouldn't face battles. He said, "Fear not," because He is with you. That means your weakness is not a sign of abandonment. It's an opportunity for divine strength. You should notice something powerful when He says, "I will strengthen you, I will help you, I will uphold you." That's 3 promises in one verse. How loving is our God. When your energy runs out, His begins. When your confidence shakes, His hands holds you steady. When you feel like collapsing under pressure, the Lord says, "I am still carrying you." You are not surviving because you are strong. You are surviving because God is faithful. You are upheld, not forgotten. So, brethren, family, friends, keep going. Don't give up. Trust in the Lord, believe, and He will make it happen for you. Be blessed.